Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a different video for you. I am going to be filming an unboxing of the Playtest 2 James Luke Burke Happy Mailer box. I always get really excited for these. I have been waiting for this. I was going to film some Hobonichi flips and art journal flip throughs, which I will still do. But I figured I would do this first because I'm super excited to see what's inside. So let's get into the unboxing. Hello! I'm back and ready to unbox this. I guess before I do, I really wanted to give a little bit of background. Ever since I got into mixed media and art and art journaling, I've really been a fan of James Luke Burke. That's my dog grunting. I've been a fan of James Luke Burke. He is a mixed media artist and illustrator. And last summer he did do a Patreon for 3 months, and I loved it. He does these happy mailer boxes, which are fantastic. And so when he brought Playtest Patreon back again this year, I obviously could not resist. These are actually the little Playtest press, like the blog posts. So last year he did a blog, and this year it is digital blog, but you can print them out and have like this little newsletter, which I just think is amazing because you can use this for art journaling. There's little coloring pages. So I have those here with me just so you can get a feel for, you know, kind of his style and what he does, and I'm a huge fan. So this is the August Happy Mailer box. I'm super excited to unbox this. First of all, how cute is this box? Like, it's adorable, and I keep all the boxes because they always have really cute stuff on them. I did slit this off camera, so don't come for me. Okay, first, brown paper. Okay, but seriously, I will like stamp and collage with this, so no hate there. Ooh, first is the little card that kind of tells you what's in the box, so we will set this aside because I like surprises. Okay, we have a vinyl sticker. This is like the little seal for that tier. It looks like, I'm actually gonna look at this. It says the Playbox Tier Crest vinyl sticker, a little something to commemorate your joining the Playbox Rewards tier. So I'm sure I will stick this on my laptop or a notebook or a journal or something that is adorable. Let's see. Next, I see a washi, which, oh my goodness. If I can get it to focus. It looks like Disney illustrations. I'm gonna have to open this in a minute. But it does say My Magical Day washi tape, a 10mm roll of 30mm washi tape decorated with a collage of my favorite Disneyland sketches. So I'm excited to watch this very soon. Next, and I love these. I have, I think, every one of these made so far, but these are James Luke Burke fragment packs. So they're essentially die cuts, and he has a bunch of different ones that I've seen. We'll look at those in a minute. But this pack has 40 different fragments. They've been illustrated by hand, and they're just from his sketchbook. So It says sketchbook fragments, 40 ready to personalize die cuts lifted straight from his journals and sketchbooks. So that's cool. I love these every single time. This is fun and fresh and new and also very heavy. There's got to be something else in here because this is a patch. How fun. I'm a Creative adhesive journal patch. Embroidered product. So excited to stick this patch on my journal and hoarders tote bags. I have a playtest tote bag that I think from last year that this is going on. But there's something else inside. I love this. And I will journal with this. Like, I'll find a way to incorporate this into a journal spread, the little card that the patch comes on. But how freaking cute is that? I love that I'm a Creative. And then I can't wait to see what's in here. First, there is a cute piece of washi that says it's not hoarding if it ends up in a journal. And then these adorable little stamps, which I love a good stamp, and a bag that I'm going to carefully pull all of this up so I can save it. No, don't care. That is sticky washi. Oh my gosh, it's like a little, it's a replica, a sketchbook replica. This is funny. My sketchbook mini replica, a mini version of my current sketchbook, so his current sketchbook, full of practice, play, and product design sketches. That is bananas, but what is even funnier is, like, I have the real size version of this, which is also what I use to take the James Luke Burke illustration course. You can even see the little MD. I don't know if you can see it well on camera, but there's a little MD logo on the replica that is the same MD logo. And it's got like all the wear and tear on it. I mean, that's just amazing and adorable. I'm not going to flip through the entire thing because spoilers, and you should subscribe, but again, I love his illustration style. It's really inspiring. I have really learned a lot from watching his videos and taking his course and subscribing to his Patreon. So highly, highly, highly recommend. This is amazing. Part of me wants to tear it all up and journal with it, which I'm sure is what was intended, but part of me just wants to treasure it with my other kind of James Luke Burke books. I also have his mermaid coloring book. Well, let's get this out of the way. So we don't need that anymore. I also have, you know, his mermaid coloring book. So again, like all of his drawings. And, you know, when I'm on work calls, I love to sit and work on these. Sometimes I have conference calls for hours and hours in a row. And when I want to focus but still keep my hands moving, I will work on illustrating some of these. So the fragment packs, let's dig into those really quick because these are super cool. And I love them. And we'll also swatch the washi, right? Am I right? Okay, so, I mean, these are, like, look at this. Can you, in any case, these are so cute. Love. And I love the, like, curvy ladies. You just make me so happy as a curvy lady myself. But yeah, these are so fun to like color in, and I personally like less of a border, so I will trim around, but you can stick these in journals. I mean, I've done a lot with these, and there are a lot of packs that you can buy on Etsy. Like this is a mermaid pack that I have. Most of my other packs I have either used or don't have on hand, but these are fantastic. So let's also bust open this washi. Don't come for me. I have a million of these stickers on top. I know everyone saves them, but like same, and I already have so many. I'm really good at taking off packaging. Okay, you guys. I love, 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 love this. Let's just swatch some of this out really quick because I am obsessed with washi. I have almost every roll that James has put out, and in general I have a washi collection that's borderline embarrassing. So this is fantastic. They're all just a continuous like Disney scene. That's amazing. Okay, I was wondering how long it repeats. So that's, first of all, I love these thick washi, and you can cut pieces out and make whole scenes with them. You can actually paint on these. I have a lot of James washi, and I will just, you know, if I'm gonna fangirl and hashtag not sponsor, show you all of his stuff, I might as well go all out. But I just often really love the washi that he puts out. I mean, these rainbow girls are just the cutest. The rainbow swatch dolls. And I love all the more abstract ones too. I mean, these are just the cutest. And I also really like the brushstroke black and white. I think I heard this was getting discontinued, so I do have another roll of this. And just the pattern, the pitter pattern one, and these little, like, you know, people, creatures. I don't know. I'm obsessed. So yeah, that is the August playtest Happy Mailer box unboxing. What a mouthful. And, you know, a couple of little extras. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the products. I will be putting out some journal flip-throughs and planner flip-throughs very soon, so keep an eye out for those. And keep an eye out for the September box because I'll be unboxing that too. Bye!